On this record, officers investigating a reported vehicle theft followed a lead that brought them face to face with the man driving the missing car. What followed was a conversation that slowly unraveled the truth behind a break-in, a stolen vehicle, and a series of decisions that would soon lead to felony charges.
Door's open, but I think the car's gone. Forked.
They busted the lock pretty bad. I mean,
Broke the chain.
no, I think they cut the chain. The chain.
Oh.
Yep, chain's cut. Yep, bolt bites. So they cut the chain. I'm just wondering if they hot wired it. I don't think Tiny. There's no way Tiny left that key. This car's been here since Monday.
Hello. Hey. You have a driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me now.
Okay. Do me a favor. Just keep your hands on the steering wheel for me.
Is there a problem?
Put your hands up on the steering wheel.
Yeah. Is everything okay?
Whose car is this?
This is my cousin's actually.
Your cousin's?
Yes, I just got it from her. Amanda.
Okay, do me a favor. Step out of the car.
Yeah, bro, of course.
Keep your hands up.
Yeah, of course.
On top of your head.
Great.
I'm just going to detain you for a second, okay?
Yeah, of course.
What the hell is all over your hands, man?
Is there something wrong?
I'll explain to you. Just being detained right now, okay?
Please let me know.
All right, we just got a description of this car being stolen.
Okay, well, I didn't steal this car. I got this from my cousin.
Who lives here?
One of my buddies who's trying to get me in this place through landlord. She's kind of a turn-up girl, party chick, but I'm not gonna say anything more than that. You said what?
All right, do me a favor. Have a seat.
All right, yes, sir.
All right, Alexander.
Yes, sir.
They got you on camera, my man.
I was not anywhere near like that place. I swear, I was never near there, bro.
Okay. You have a backpack?
I don't.
In the car?
In the car, yeah. I don't not have one. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, they even got your clothing description down to a T.
What do you mean? I've never been there, bro.
Okay. I'm just telling you right now, man. I'm probably gonna have to charge you with this. The best thing to do is to come clean with me,
I'm aware of that.
and I will be able to work with you if you come clean with me.
I understand. I'm only thing I'm not trying to do is go to jail today because I was just in there for 30 days.
Okay, then tell me the truth.
I'm not gonna lie. I was in that vicinity, yes, sir.
Okay.
I understand.
When you hopped on the hood of the car to jump over the gate?
That was yes, sir. Me.
That was you?
Yes, sir. I'm not
Okay.
gonna lie.
All right. In the car.
Oh, that was previously mine. Yes, sir.
That was yours?
Yes, I have diamonds. I do a lot with diamonds.
No, don't bullshit me.
I'm not bullshit. Look at my rings. I take rocks and measure them and actually sell diamonds for what they cost.
There's glass and meth on that scale.
I did not know that at all, actually. Because I just got that scale and it was not mine previously. That's why I said that there. I wouldn't lie to you. I'm just being honest with you, brother.
All right.
Yes, sir.
You just have change?
Yes, sir. That's
No meth?
no, sir. I don't have.
Because listen, man, there's
Dude, I'm
another
not gonna lie to you, bro.
officer coming here.
Yes, sir.
And he's working this case.
Yes, sir.
If he sends you to the jail,
Yes, sir.
it's going to be a whole different charge.
No. I do not have any meth on me because I do not want to go to jail, bro. And I would not lie to you. I have no crystal or fentanyl or nothing like that on me, sir. I would not lie to you, brother.
Okay.
And I do not want to go to jail over that shit.
Well, you know what you did.
I know what I did, but the summons would be great.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
You said you used the scale to cut diamonds?
Well, what I use my skills for, that proof wasn't mine. I just got that, so what I can do is I measure up diamonds and how you measure the clarity and weight and all that.
Yeah,
basically.
but, I mean, dude, I wasn't born yesterday.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I wouldn't use that for drugs, but
You want me to bring it here and show it to you?
Yeah, I know it has a little white on it or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was from the person previously before me, and I didn't get it from just an average person. I think I got it from someone below me who was under the influence. I don't do that. I don't mess with that, especially drug paraphernalia.
When's the last time you used?
Last time I used, not gonna lie, it's been over 30 days, bro. Like
Over 30 days?
Yeah, besides smoking marijuana, that's all I do is smoke. I look for medicinal herbs habitually, but that's other than that, I have not touched anything like that. I've been put in the hole for the last 30 days on December 17th till January 17th, and I've been sober since, sir. I've been sober since and have not been under any influence of any drug, narcotics, nothing like that. Especially what I was previously doing and honest about, and what got me like through was being honest with them in the court system and everything like that, and let them know what I was on previously was.
Let me see the bottoms of your shoes.
Yes, sir.
What did you use to cut the lock with?
I didn't use anything actually.
Okay.
I was just going there. Yeah. I'm happy to go to jail tonight.
No, you're going, bud.
Going to jail?
Yeah. It's because it's a felony.
How long are they keeping me in there? Do you know?
Well, the good news is it's not. It's not Friday. So,
What day is it?
because typically if you go on a Friday, they'll keep you all weekend. Because you should see a judge tomorrow. I don't want to say yes or no.
But I should be able to see a judge tomorrow.
Hopefully, yeah.
You promise me that?
I can't promise you that because that's not our yeah.
You guys think you can take me to the mental hospital real quick? The hospital for suicide?
You'll be able to talk to there's nurses at the jail you have to talk to.
I know about the nurses. They don't ever. They put me in the turtle suit and played me crazy. I was gonna see if you could take me to Suma for a hospital visit, please. So I feel very suicidal at the moment, like right now.
You'll be able to talk to the medical.
And they'll take me to the hospital.
I mean, they'll give you.
We're not going to hospital.
No, I know you're taking me to jail, but
Yes.
I'm wanting to kill myself, and I'm having suicidal
And they're
thoughts.
going to ask you that, and they're going to set you up there.
All right, so they can from there they can send me to the hospital. I had myself checked
They got
out.
their own.
We're not doctors. That's their job.
No, what they do is they put me in the hole and they don't really do anything about it.
So I don't write their policy, but you're going to jail
There
tonight.
can't be a summons for this, sir?
They got 2 felonies, bud.
That can't be summons? Why?
It's because it's a felony. If it was a misdemeanor, we have more, room to work with. But
Yes, sir. What's the felony for?
it's for breaking and entering, and also auto theft.
Auto theft. Even though it was like not my fault, not my problem.
Yeah, I mean, it's not your car; it belonged to somebody else, and
I just thought it was my girlfriend's that I was getting it for, and that's the thing I'm not understanding.
yeah, your girlfriend lied to you then.
So I'm fucked, right?
Yeah, you're going to go to court. You're not.
I'm just asking.
You're innocent until proven guilty. You're going to go to court.
No, I get that. So, and what day is it?
It's Wednesday.
So please, man, dude, I really just want.
Why do you want to kill yourself?
Because I'm very depressed and I have no one
Because
right
you're
now.
going to jail or what?
No, bro, because I've been doing the same, like going to jail process, yes, and basically what you said for the last 3 months, and it's been nothing but fucked me over so much that I'm at such a low.
Well, let Alex make this one be the last one. All right.
Yes, sir, that's the whole point, but I just don't want it to last a whole nother month.
We're gonna walk over here.
Yo, no,
We'll walk with
I
you.
can't understand that. I just don't want it to be like a whole nother 3 months again, man. Like a whole nother month I'm in there wanting to kill myself, and I'm just as worse as it is now because of like what that treated me like, man. You like the one either?
I just want to say something. I just want to say real quick.
Yes, sir, bro.
We're not trying to be assholes.
I know, brother.
Okay, the time to go to hospital is before you're in handcuffs.
Yes,
okay?
sir. I know. Thank you for
I
that.
want you to get the help you need.
Thank you, brother. I just don't want to be serving this time where I'm putting myself in more.
Of course you don't. Nobody wants to
No,
go to
it's
jail.
not even like that. I don't mind doing the time for a crime at all, bro. It's just, I just want this process done and over with a faster understanding response than I ever could imagine, because like that would help me out get to the hospital more than anything else. And then for them in there to take me honestly, not like I'm trying to hurt them or be even saying it in insanity with the suicidal watch, all that. No, I don't want that for myself this trip, and that's what I'm trying to get at. And
That's a fair question. In all honesty, I
sir.
have no control
I know, bro.
of what happens once you go in there.
I know, bro.
Okay?
It's just
I'm not saying I wouldn't.
No, bro,
what I
you know,
But
it's just hell for me, man, because they look at me and they treat me like my demons are eating them, and their demons are eating me, and it's just a fight between deputy and me, and it's just wild, bro.
I would keep your head down. You know, try to stay out in the clear. Do your time, get out, and then do what you gotta do.
All right, brother.
And there's really nothing else.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you're looking for
Just help.
solutions and all that, but
Better
that
help, man.
part of it
Yes, sir.
is as you can, just keep your head down.
All right, bro.
You know, but hopefully you can talk to the nurses there. And I don't know. You know, I don't work in there or know.
Yeah, no, maybe
I
they'll
don't
take
know
me-
those people.
Let's take people understanding where they actually understand it, are not just criticizing my mental health.
Mouth open. Tongue up. Put bottom lip down. Bottom lip. Top lip. Pull that up. Alright, put your fingers around your gums 3 times. Fingers around your gums. Around, all the way around. Yep. Now bottom. Alright. Left.
Yes,
With the investigation complete, officers transported Alexander to jail to face allegations connected to the break-in and the stolen vehicle. What began with a missing car and a cut chain ended with an arrest, multiple felony accusations, and a series of admissions that became part of the investigation. The outcome of the case would ultimately be determined in court. With this, today's record ends here. Wait, one more thing. All individuals featured in this video are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. Make sure to break that subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed today's case. Meet you soon with another record.